This is day 2. Put in the dam yesterday. It rained like crazy yesterday afternoon, and the river spiked up, but we got it filled just in time for that spike, and because of a huge rainstorm, which nobody was predicting. But the AquaDam held up. This is the fullest the river is ever going to be, I'm told. They were building 2 bridges. This is one of them. The other one's just downstream. Then I guess they're going to also rebuild their kayak course. The sides of this dam are folded to the middle. So the dam is actually much, much wider than what it appears in this picture. They're working on making the turn. To make the turn, one side has to go down in elevation, basically stop the pumps. The other side keeps pumping, and this helps make the turn. You can see the rock in the middle. They wouldn't remove the rock, so we're just gonna be right on the edge of it. But everything looking good so far. We've been making the turn. And one side's got to stop the pumps on it, which would be the left side, and the right side, the pumps keep working. And that's what we're doing. Now that the turn's made, he's evening out both sides of the AquaDam. So there's only one side is being pumped up, and they're going to level out, and then they're going to keep unrolling the AquaDam little bit by little bit. It stays. It's a success. It's a success. Whoa. Just like that, the water's gone.